Backwoods Boy Small Engine. Say hello to Taylor. He's a good old egg. He's got a lot of content. It's a small channel like myself, but it has a variety of content on small engines, and it's well done, I think, and I enjoy them.
For Shroud. I'm gonna get them few things pulled off, and I'll be right back with you.
If you don't mind, just let them know that you came over from this channel. I like letting people know that I support them, and I, more importantly, appreciate you supporting them. Every channel that I subscribe to, I try and watch every video that I can. Sometimes, a lot of the times lately, your feed who I subscribe to, your channel don't come up in my feed. I don't know why that's happening, but it is happening. I wish that, I could just, buy things on their wish list and all that, but maybe if I get monetized, huh? Never know. Never know. But anyway, with all joking aside, I really do try and support the channels that I subscribe to. I did send you one, by the way. If you don't want it, it's too bad. It's coming. But if any of you out there got a sticker that you want to send me, go to my About page. My email is there, and you can send me your sticker. So I'm going to put this on the door with the rest of the infamous clan. So go over, check Taylor out, and say hi.